Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you guys this holiday look that you can wear for Christmas, that you can wear to your New Year's party or whatever you have. You can wear this pretty much to anything when it comes to holiday season, and I'm really excited to show you guys. Also, don't forget to subscribe and follow me on all my social medias at Michelle X Diaz. So if you guys want to know how I achieved this look, make sure you guys keep watching. So I have my matcha and it's cold outside and I'm back in America and I'm ready to do a holiday look. So this look is gonna be, you know, pretty, I don't want to say basic because we are not basic, but it's gonna be more simple. It's gonna be more simple and it's gonna allow you to combine it with literally any outfit you want. So at the end of the video, I'm also gonna show you guys how I'm going to do my hair. I'm gonna do it today for you guys. Christmas used to be very, I don't know, it used to be very exciting. I remember I would wait the whole year just for Christmas when I was little, but now it's like every day it's Christmas, you know? Yeah, I'm gonna be using my LA Girl brow pomade for my eyebrows. Also, do you guys like my nails? Look at them. I did them myself. I'm learning how to do nails. I want to get into the whole nail scene. I love it because I think it's very therapeutic. I really get bored of things really fast, so I don't want to be going like every week, you know? So I figured why not do it myself, and that way I get them exactly the way I like them. And I mean, they're very durable, and if I have, you know, all the materials and stuff like that, if one was to pop off, I can just like redo it. I'm practicing because I want to start making nail videos for you guys. I'm getting a bunch of like materials and stuff like that, and if you guys want to go through this process with me, let me know so I can start making the nail videos. I literally had different nails yesterday and then 2 days before that. Like I've been changing them so much because now like I can, and anytime I get bored I can just change them. But yeah guys, I haven't been very active because I've been out of the country. In November I went to Dominican Republic. The water was so beautiful, the beaches were so beautiful, the weather, the people, everything. I absolutely loved it, and it was just such a vibe, honestly. And being around those people, like these people are so like have such good vibes, so you just have so much fun. But yeah, it was an amazing experience. It was so beautiful. We went into the ocean and almost died like 13 times. Then I came back home. I was here for 2 weeks and then I left again to Central America and Costa Rica. I'm going to be using the Too Faced Gingerbread Spice eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to be using mainly the gingerbread and the gingerbread latte colors. So I'm actually going to whiten my teeth because I haven't whitened them in a long time while I do my eyeshadow, and I know that if I talk while doing my eyeshadow, this is just going to be like a 2-hour video. So I'm just going to whiten my teeth real quick. So I just whitened my teeth. I don't know if you can tell the difference. My teeth are already pretty white, so what I use in my teeth is a gel with LED light. I get it from White with Style, and if you guys use my code Michelle X Diaz, you guys are going to get it for like 80% off. Like you guys are gonna get it for super cheap. A lot of people ask me if it works. Like, I don't get my teeth professionally whitened. I whiten them at home. I literally never have. I drink a lot of coffee. I drink a lot of tea. So my teeth like don't deserve to be this white, but they are because of that. If you guys want to know how I use it, how often I use it, how you use it, make sure to let me know down in the comments so I can make a whole new video answering all the questions. So now we're gonna move on to the face. So I'm going to be using the Full Spectrum CoverGirl foundation. I've actually tried this in the past, but I haven't tried it in a long time, so I'm just gonna try it again. Actually really liking this foundation, and it's honestly also because my skin is doing so good. So I feel like I finally found the product that will keep my skin clear. I have one skincare routine, and that was actually all based on products, like skincare products. But if you're trying to make your skin better, you don't only have to use good products on the outside, but also do it from the inside. So I've been drinking a lot of vitamins that have really been helping me with my skin. So if you guys want a whole video on how I cleared up my skin and pictures of how it was, so like I said, this can really take a toll on your confidence, right? So because of that, I never really wanted to document like my bad skin and stuff like that. I never wanted to have pictures of it. I never even wanted to see it. Like it was that bad. Like I never ever took pictures because I never wanted to see it. This time I was like, I'm actually going to, I took a picture. I remember I took it and then I deleted it. So I had it in my recently deleted, so I wouldn't have to see it every time I went on my camera roll. And then my skin started clearing up, and more and more. And I actually took process pictures, and I will put those in a video if you guys want me to make a skincare video. I basically got like the perfect cocktail of products that my skin needs in order to stay clear, and I'm so happy and so excited. By the way, I used the two Il Makiage concealers. One of them is in 15.5 and one of them is in 3. So I highlighted with 3 and I contoured with 15.5. And then I'm gonna go with my Airspun powder and with my beauty blender. Also, you guys really asked for the video with my boyfriend, and you guys really want to know how we met. If you guys want that to be the next video, then let me know. I kind of want him to be in it. We're not seeing each other a lot right now because he's on tour and stuff. So if you guys want me to do it soon, it would be by myself. But if you guys want to wait for him, then we can do that too. Just let me know. After we've powdered our face, I'm going to move on to bronzer. I'm going to use a Too Faced Gingerbread Tan Bronzer. Look how cute this is. So I hope you guys are already planning and changing and doing all this, you know, stuff for the new year. So yeah, guys, just think about where you were this time last year and think about what you did different. If you don't do anything different, you're like gonna be doing the same thing the next year. So whatever it is, whatever you want to get into, whatever you want to get good at. Like me, I want to get good at nails, so I started right now. Like this is my 3rd set in like a week. And I'm getting better. In 2020, right now I can't get into it because I'm not there, but I actually want to move to Mexico City and I want to start acting. And that's something that I'm going to do because ever since I was little, I always wanted to do that kind of stuff. Like I said, I'm the person that likes the spotlight, you know? And it's weird because I'm very socially awkward. Like if I go somewhere and I don't know anybody, I'd rather just leave. Like, I hate it, and it's actually such a bad thing because it keeps me from doing a lot of things that could benefit me, like networking and stuff like that. And yeah, when I was growing up, I never really had the funds and the, you know, kind of the support to go to Mexico City and stuff, because I'm from the north. So I would always watch like castings and stuff like that for kids to go into like novelas and stuff like that. And I'd always be like, Grandma, take me. But of course it was never possible. But now that I can make it possible for myself, why not do it, right? So I want to, you know, work and do all my Forex things and stuff like that right now. And then when the time comes, which would be like after convention and after I hit a couple of milestones, then I'm gonna allow myself to move to Mexico City, so that way I can be there and be totally financially free. I can just focus on that and focus on my business. So yeah, I'm very, very excited. We'll see where it brings. At the end of the day, when I die, like that sounds so deep, but at the end of the day, you know, when I'm like dying or whatever, I'm not going to have that feeling of, oh, what would have happened if I would have done that. That's why I do so many crazy things, because when I die, I never ever ever want to have that feeling. I want to die like knowing that I had a lit life and I tried everything that I wanted to do, and that, you know, I did everything that I wanted to do. Like that no me quedé con ganas de nada, you know. So yeah, that is my next move actually. For my nude lip, I'm going to use my Lord & Berry blush lip liner. Okay, this is the Queen Cosmetics in Suavecita. It looks pretty matte. Yeah, this is really good. So this is the Il Makiage Lip Service in Hard Yes. So here we have our glossy nude lip. So yeah, our hair is done. Look at it. It's a very slick ponytail. Yes, this is all of my hair out of my scalp. So the bright red one is from Il Makiage and it's in Matte Rager. I love the packaging of these because it's literally so heavy, and it's like the glass is matte and it's thick and it just looks so fancy and so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna take this off. Then I'm going to line my lips with my Il Makiage and Carly Bible lip liner in a Blaze. Also, I straightened my hair with my Numi hair straightener. I've been using this for about a year and a half now. More than a year and a half. Yeah, more than a year and a half, and I've been loving it. And now my nails, my outfit, and everything matches. Sebastian, go that way. So this is my outfit. This is a tennis skirt from LA Apparel. And this is a top from Princess Polly. This is just a one shoulder thing and a crop top. And then this beautiful coat is from Boohoo. So if you guys like the look, if you guys like the video, if you guys like the makeup, the outfit, the hair, make sure you guys give it a thumbs up and send me any pictures if you recreate anything. I'm gonna leave links for everything down below. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope everyone has an amazing, amazing, amazing holiday season, and everyone is surrounded by the loved ones and their family and their friends. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys go follow me on Instagram. Make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you guys tell me if you guys want nail tutorials, a teeth video, a skin video, or vlogs. Yeah, I have so many things planned and I have so many ideas, but I just don't know which one to start with, so I need a little bit of help. But yeah, thank you guys so much. I'll see you in my next video.